Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hi guys, welcome to KEE'S Way. So I have already put on my foundation, concealer. I've already outlined my eyebrows into the shape that I want them. I'm applying this copper like brown over my eyelids because I want this look to be very subtle. Now I'm going in with a little red because the red and brown kind of makes the color burgundy. So I want that color to kind of match with my dress. So first I use the copper and then I'm gonna mix that color in with the red. So now I'm taking a more vibrant red and I'm gonna bring that up towards my crease. And that's how you blend everything together, and the color is going to stay subtle. It's not going to be overpowering because that copper and that red together, once they blend, they're going to make a burgundy and it's not going to be too heavy.
Perfect, 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 perfect,
Okay, so for the inner corner of my eyes, I am taking a regular eyeshadow applicator and I am adding a gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to gradually take that gold and go further away from the inner corner of my eye, and then right over that I'm going to add white eyeshadow to make it pop even more. And I'm also going to go over the creases to make that, you want to highlight that part of your eye as well. chance for you all. So while I was in the store, I ended up picking out this cute little glitter palette. I was curious to see how it was gonna turn out. So this is my first time trying. You're gonna see my reaction. So the color I started off with was kind of burgundy, glittery color, kind of like the one in the background. And I was just taking that and applying that right over the eyelids. I was really surprised by how nice it turned out.
Perfect, 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 perfect,
So I'm using this palette. I was so excited to use this palette, guys. I like blush, but I have been using one blush and that was not in season. It was very, very bright pink. So now I'm showing you guys how I blend, because I've practiced with it too. A lot of times I use multiple colors, so because, you know, on brown skin, you want to be careful with the blush, especially, and make it look more natural. So I'm using like this mauve, can't really tell here, but it's a mauve color, and I'm going to eventually mix it in with the gold right next to it to tone it down. Because with blush, less is more. And now I'm using the gold there. For me, gold is always like my go-to color because it's like very neutral for my skin tone. So if you're gonna apply blush, make sure you have something to like tone it down with, just in case you put too much. Now I'm doing highlighter. I put it on my nose, my cheekbones, and also my forehead and my chin. I like it. I know I'm shiny enough, but I like it. It makes me shine bright like a diamond. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop. So now that it's blended, I'm really feeling this look. It is starting to come together. Oh, I'm dancing. Oh, that was bad. I gotta stop dancing in these videos. So now I am putting on mascara because I had what in the world? I had eyeshadow just sitting on top of it, so I want to kind of like mask that. And I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. So these are my 5D eyelashes that I purchased. They are so pretty. They're very dramatic, but also very soft. And yeah, I'm gonna have to buy all of them the next time I go to the store. So now I had put on my lip plumping gloss, and now I'm taking a brown lip pencil and I'm just filling in the lines, because sometimes I draw little lines. It's okay. This is just gonna help guide me.
Perfect.
And now I'm taking this dark burgundy lip color. And off camera, I added a different color to give it the ombre look. And this look is completed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is like a really nice subtle look for Sweetest Day. Really any date night. It's very soft and not overpowering. You can go out in public. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my dancing, and give this video a thumbs up please, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.